What's up, everybody? Zach here with another Home Depot Seeds program review. This is the aluminum 32 quart seafood tamale steamer from IMUSA, and it is big. It's about 15 inches deep. Well, it's 15 inches in diameter, ballpark, and about, I think it's around 13 inches or so high. Storing this thing is probably the biggest challenge. It will fit under my cabinets there, but with the shelf, the half shelf in the back, it's too deep. So if you don't have a shelf in your lower cabinet, it'll fit fine. If not, you may have to find a spot for it. It is aluminum. It's got decent handles on the sides. It's really lightweight, really light and really thin. So I wouldn't use this as like a sauce pot because it just, I don't think would work. It's strictly for steaming. So if you have a lot of clams or crabs or mussels, that kind of stuff, it would work well. Or obviously it's for tamales. I'm not a tamale guy, so I probably won't be steaming any tamales, but that's pretty straightforward. See the little groove right here? That holds this little tray right there. Oh, it comes with a mussels provençal in English and Spanish. So if you want to try and make that, it comes with this. But anyway, this is the little tray that sits right in that groove, and then you would put your water or your broth or whatever you had underneath, fill it up below that tray, and then this slides in. So if you try to put it in just like this, it's not going to go. So just go on an angle and turn it. It has two little holes here, so you can, and it just sits right down in there. And it's like I said, it's a very large pot. For what it is, though, it's awesome. Just my wife and I, so I don't think we'll ever fill this up unless we're having some kind of big party. But I'm gonna try it with some mussels maybe, if we make a lot, or if we're making a whole bunch of vegetables maybe for the week or something, we could try. So there it is. I don't have the retail price on it yet. I'll put that in my written review on Home Depot, but it's a good pot. It's very large, so it'll definitely do the job. Comes with a glass lid with a nice handle on it. It fits in there perfect. There you have it. I would recommend it.